Hello students, hope you are doing well. TS Set is a state level entrance test that is conducted for admission to BTech, BSc Agriculture, B Farm and BTech Agriculture Engineering courses. TSCHE conducts the counselling process for BTech, B Pharma and BTech Agriculture course, while the counselling for BSc Agriculture is conducted by PJTSAU. The number of takers for TS Set exam is almost 2.42 lakhs every year, and out of those, the highest number of students appear for the engineering stream. As this number of students competing for BTech admission through TS Set exceeds 1 lakh, the closing goes up to 99,000 every year by the end of final counselling phase. In this video, we'll discuss the detailed analysis of what can be a very good, average and low score and rank in TS Set exam. Let us look at what is the qualifying marks for different categories to get a rank in TS Set exam. For general and OBC category, the students must acquire 40 out of 160 to get a rank in TS Set exam, and there is no minimum qualifying marks for SC/ST candidates. Okay, now let us look at what can be considered as a good score in TS Set exam. The TS Set exam is conducted for a total of 160 marks. So, if we calculate out of 160, a very good score can be considered as 150 plus, a good score can be considered as 120 plus, an average score can be considered as 70 plus, and a score below 60 can be considered as a low score. Now that we are done with the score, let us know what is a good rank in TS Set exam. As we have already discussed, the number of students who compete for admission through TS Set for engineering stream is more than 1 lakhs every year. Hence, based on the past closing rank trends, we can say that a very good rank for TS Set is in between 1 to 5,000 rank. If you have obtained a rank between 5,001 to 15,000, it can be considered as a good rank. A rank between 15,001 to 40,000 can be considered as an average rank, and a rank that is above 50,000 can be considered as a low rank for TS Set exam. It is also to be noted that the candidates who secure a rank below 5,000 have higher chances of securing admission in JNTU or top private BTech colleges. Although the candidates with a rank of above 50,000 can also get admission, you don't need to get low. These students can get admission through phase 2 counselling, because the usually the final closing rank for TS Set goes up to 1 lakh. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. We hope that this video will help you get an idea for TS Set good score and rank. If you still have any queries, you can ask me the same through the provided link. Also, you can check the video description for more related useful links for TS Set exam. For more updates on TS Set, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.